Lily and her little brother Max loved exploring. One day, they discovered an old abandoned house at the end of their street. The house was covered in ivy, and the windows were dusty. "I bet it's haunted," Max whispered excitedly. Curious, the two stepped inside. The wooden floor creaked under their feet. Suddenly, they heard a soft whoosh, like a breeze, but all the windows were shut. Then a glowing little ghost appeared. It had big, round eyes and a friendly smile. "Hello," it said. "I'm Oliver. I've lived here for 100 years, but I've never had friends before." Lily and Max were shocked. "A real ghost? Are you scary?" Max asked. Oliver giggled. "No, I just like playing games." He floated in the air and made funny faces. The kids laughed. From that day on, Oliver, Lily, and Max became best friends. They played hide and seek, told stories, and even had a secret handshake. Well, a ghostly handshake. One night, Oliver said, "Thank you for being my friends. I think I can finally rest now." He smiled and slowly faded away, leaving behind a tiny glowing feather. Lily and Max never saw Oliver again, but they always felt his happy presence in the house. And whenever the wind whooshed past, they knew their ghostly friend was saying hello. Moral of the story: not everything unknown is scary. Sometimes it's just waiting to be understood.